Welcome to our YouTube channel. We encourage you to subscribe so that you can promote our channel. Today we are looking at scale drawing, bearing and scale drawing. We want to look at bearing and scale drawing. In the question beforehand is a prison guard on a watchtower sees a bridge 120 meters away on a bearing of 230 degrees and a bus stop 80 meters away on a bearing of 090 degrees. Now, the two objects, the bridge and the bus stop, are viewed from the watchtower. So our drawing will begin from the watchtower. So we have the watchtower, we can call it W, that is the northern line for the watchtower. So where is the bridge? The bridge is on a bearing of 230. Up to here we have 180. So for us to add there, so we only have 50 there. That is the angle there. So we have our bridge at that point. Then the bus stop is on a bearing of 090. So 090 is on the eastwards. So that is where we have now the bus stop. So that is the bearing of 090 degrees. So that's the bus stop. So we can now begin our actual construction so that we see how far is this. So with that in mind, now we have we can draw the horizontal line. Then we mark this point and call it the tower. That is T, where the tower. So at the tower, we construct the northern line, which is always 90 degrees. So we construct 90 at this point. 90 at this point. Therefore, we construct 90 at that point with those arcs. You now construct 90. That's the basic angle to be constructed. Then we join it back to point T so that we get the northern line. So that is the northern line there. So the northern line now, where is the bridge? So we measure 50 using our protractor. So we put our protractor here and actually do the measurement for 50 degrees. So 50 degrees, that is 50 degrees. So that is where the 50 degrees line is. So through that now we draw the line that passes through 50 degrees so that we get our bridge is along this line. And then the bus stop is on the eastern side. So the bus stop is along the east-west direction, the eastern direction is in the eastern direction. So we are given distance here of 80 meters and 120 meters. So you can use a scale. So using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 40 meters. Therefore 120 meters will be represented by 1 times 120 over 40, and that is 3 centimeters. And 80 meters will be represented by 1 times 80 over 40, and that is 2 centimeters. So for us to locate the bridge, we measure 3 centimeters. So we measure 3 centimeters from our ruler. So that is 3 centimeters from our ruler. We measure 3 centimeters from our ruler. For us to locate the bridge, we measure 3 centimeters. So that is where the bridge is. And for us to get the bus station, the bus stop, we now measure 2 centimeters. So the bus stop is 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters from here will give us that. as the bus stop. So this is the bridge, that's the bus stop. So we've so what are they asking? Find the bearing of the bridge from the bus stop. The bearing of the bridge from the bus stop. So we need to get the bridge from the bus stop. So we transfer the northern line to the bus stop. So that is the bus stop. So you transfer the northern line there. So that is the bus stop. We are measuring from the bus stop. So we join the bus stop and the bridge with a straight line. We join the bus stop and the bridge with a straight line. And you know that from what we have to remember is that bearing is measured from north. So up to here we have 180 degrees. So what is the remaining angle for us to get the bearing? So we measure that angle using the protractor. So we put our protractor here and then we measure that angle. We measure that angle. So we measure that angle. So the angle there will be 63. So the angle here is 63 degrees. So the bearing is now 180 plus 63 degrees, which is 243. So bridge is on bearing 243 degrees from the bus stop. The distance between the bus stop and the bridge. So the distance between the bus stop and the bridge, so you simply put a protractor at the bus stop and this is the protractor, so that we determine that distance. You can alternatively use the divider, so that once you've got that distance, then you transfer it to your ruler, then you find out what is that distance now. That is 4.9. So that is 4.9. So bridge to bus stop is 4.9 centimeters. And you said 1 centimeter represents 40 meters. So 4.9 you simply multiply by 40, so that we get that is 49 times 4. That one gives us 6, 3, 16, 19. So it is 196 meters. So that is the distance between the bridge and the bus station. Thank you.